Nut-Free Mama here. Today, me and my friend little Skelly here are going to show you how to make candy corn cookies. Alright, let's start off with our ingredients. First, you need 2 sticks of butter softened, 1½ cups of powdered sugar, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 1 egg, 3 cups of all-purpose flour, a half a teaspoon of baking soda, a half a teaspoon of salt, and then you need yellow and orange food coloring, or if you don't have orange, you can use yellow and red to make the orange color. So let's go ahead and get started. Right, first we are going to cream together our softened butter and our powdered sugar with an electric mixer until it is nice and fluffy. That looks great. Now we are going to add in our vanilla and our egg and just beat that to combine it. Alright, that looks good. So in a separate bowl, we are going to whisk together our flour, salt, and baking soda. Okay, now we can add our dry ingredients into our wet ingredients a little at a time, mixing it in between. Okay, that gives you a nice soft dough, and as you can see, I separated it into 3 different bowls here so we can tint them. Of course, one you want to leave white, and then the other 2 you want to make orange and yellow. Alright, my white looks good, so I'm going to go ahead with my orange. Here is a little tip too. So these are going to be, every other one is going to have a white tip or a yellow tip. So if you do not like that, because some people don't like that because candy corns are all white on the tips, supposedly, you can leave 2 of them white, and then you could dip it into yellow melting chocolate. But I don't care about that, and I can never find yellow melting chocolate that is safe from peanuts. So I don't care about that. Mine are going to be, some of them are going to be white and some of them are going to be yellow. Not a big deal to me. So next I'm going to go ahead and add my orange. Alright, that looks good. So next is our yellow. Alright, my yellow is finished. So now I am going to go ahead. I removed it from the pan. Goes into the refrigerator for 4 hours to overnight. Okay, I just removed my dough from the refrigerator and took the plastic wrap off. Now I went ahead and preheated my oven to 350, and you want to line 2 baking sheets with parchment paper. Now we are going to get to cutting, and we're going to cut these widthwise about 1/4 of an inch, because these are supposed to make 5 dozen cookies. Okay, my first batch is ready to go into the oven. They are so cute, and as you can see, no 2 are alike, just like a real candy corn. But I can go ahead and show you how I do this. First, you're going to cut, let me see if I can do this on camera, just with the width like this. Okay. Then you're just going to come, turn it, cut the edges off, and then just make your little triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then cut a little off of there, 10. So you should be able to get 10. And like I said, who cares if they're not perfect? Nobody cares about that. So the oven is ready at 350. We're going to stick those in there for 6 to 8 minutes. Okay, my first batch came out of the oven, and oh my gosh, guys, these are so adorable. The thing is, though, they don't really taste that great. So for my second and third batch, I just sprinkled sugar on the tops of them. So I'm hoping they taste a little better. These aren't bad. They're just not really sugary like I like. Okay, the rest of my cookies came out of the oven and have cooled. The ones with the sugar sprinkled on them definitely do taste better. So go ahead and sprinkle some sugar on those before you bake them. Or like I did during baking on one of the batches. But we will let these cool off, and then we'll have Taste Tester have a little taste. They are so adorable. And I made a lot. Alright, let's take these over to Taste Tester. Taste Tester, what? What are you? Scary skeleton pirate? Alright, skeleton pirate, go ahead and have a little taste.
Okay.
You're scaring me. Oh, it's Taste Tester.
Yum. Yummy.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Alright, everyone, come back and see us again. And don't forget to like and subscribe.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. And one more. Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween. Bye.
Bye.